Welcome back to this series on how to edit videos in CapCut. I am Stephen Womack, and we've already covered some of the basics of CapCut in the first 2 episodes. If you missed out on those, be sure to catch up. Today in episode number 3, we're going to add a new layer of creativity to your videos by learning how to add text in CapCut. So to get started, again, we're gonna open our project in CapCut and figure out where in the video we want to add the text. Then you click on the text tab here, and you can now drag this default text down to your timeline and place it where you want it. Select the text clip and you will now find a complete editing window on the top right here. Now here we can type in the content of our text and it will directly change it on the timeline down here. Now CapCut also has all these beautiful options up here to customize the text. We can customize the font, the size, and the color. And again, you have many options of different fonts here, so make sure to have a look at them all. I love to use this Sophia Pro font right here because it just fits my projects best and it's easy to read, so I'm going to use this. But of course, if you don't find anything here or you want to be a little more creative, we can now also even choose from these pre-designed text templates here. For example, this warm up game one, which is kind of sporty, I really love it. Or this bestie time here, for example, and again you can just edit the text over here and it will automatically adapt it in the video. So yeah, feel free to get creative here and just see what suits your video style best. For this video, I want to keep the white and very basic look though. Now another thing we have, if you have video with a voiceover or something like an interview, for example, CapCut has these amazing features that can automatically recognize the words and create a caption for the whole video, which is called the auto caption feature up here. So just simply click it and then choose the language here and then just hit create, and now CapCut will basically do all the work for us, creating these great captions that of course we can again adjust in the field over here if you really want to fine-tune it. Now the last thing I want to show you when it comes to text is how CapCut goes beyond basic text features by offering these advanced animation options here to make your text even more dynamic and engaging. So click the animation tab up here and we can now explore various text animations here, and these are split up into text entrances, the in here, and exits, which are the out here. So just make sure to scroll through all these different animations to find the ones that best draw attention to key points in your videos or simply create stylish intros or outros. And now we even have this loop section here to keep your text constantly moving, keeping it in motion from the entrance through the middle all the way to the exit. It is one movement, which is also a very cool feature that you could definitely get creative with and click around. There you have it. In this episode, we've learned how to add text to your videos in CapCut, from basic text to advanced animations and even motion. Text is a powerful tool for conveying information, emphasizing key points, and enhancing the storytelling in your videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing content. To start creating your own text-enhanced videos using CapCut, download it from the link in the description under this video. Thanks so much for watching and stay tuned for more exciting tutorials coming your way.